Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Corolla license plate light, full guide. Pry off the plastic trim gently with a flathead screwdriver, then remove the bulb socket by turning it counterclockwise and pulling it out. Wear gloves to keep oils off the new bulb, test the new bulb before reassembly, and align the socket tabs before twisting it back into place. Finally, snap the trim back and test the light to confirm it works. Begin by opening the trunk and locating the license plate light housing on the lid. Use a small screwdriver if needed to pry the housing cover gently and expose the bulb socket. Rotate the socket counterclockwise about a quarter turn and pull it free, then carefully remove the old bulb from the socket, avoiding excessive force or twisting that could break the glass. Inspect the socket for corrosion before inserting the replacement bulb. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more simple car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime warranty on socks, perfect for staying comfortable while working on cars. Check the video description for the sock link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the replacement bulb ready, push it into the socket firmly, but gently until it seats correctly. Reconnect the socket into the light housing by aligning the tabs and rotating clockwise until it clicks into place. Turn on the vehicle lights to verify illumination before snapping the lens cover back on. If the bulb does not light, check the socket contacts and replace the fuse if necessary. Finish by closing the trunk and confirming a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.